Is the Apple Watch SE still worth it? Thinking about upgrading your wrist game? Let's dive into the Apple Watch SE, 2nd Gen, and see if it's the perfect fit for your tech and health needs. This smartwatch is packed with features. It tracks your heart rate, sleep, and activity levels. Plus, it has fall detection and crash detection for added safety. The Apple Watch SE is swim-proof and pairs seamlessly with Apple Fitness & Plus. It's like having a personal trainer and guardian right on your wrist. Stay connected with texts, calls, and Siri. It's compatible with all your Apple devices. Unlock your Mac, use Apple Pay, and easily find your gadgets. Customize your watch face and band to match your style. It's not just a gadget, it's a fashion statement. Battery life is the main drawback. You'll likely need to charge it daily, but the fast charging helps minimize downtime. The Apple Watch SE, the 2nd Gen, is an incredible value. It's perfect for health-conscious tech enthusiasts. Ready to upgrade? Check out the Apple Watch SE on Amazon today. Don't miss out on this amazing deal. See the link in the description for more details.